You could book it for like bridal showers or birthday parties. We also have like natural soaps. Just very
Can you
natural
show
products.
inside too?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can.
Do you want to hold it?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is the car that we use. It's really cute. But
And talk along.
yeah, and this is like all our information, like where it's located. It's in Pilsen.
Read all those things.
Yeah. Yeah, it's located in Pilsen. You can like make your own perfumes. That's it.
First shop for to carry. Come inside, all natural what?
Products, incense, bath salts, oils, candles, and more.
Wow. Nice to see you.
Yes.
Where is your office basically?
It is in Pilsen, Chicago.
Chicago. Wow. Wow, look at this. In which model, do you know?
I'm not sure.
When I was little baby, I saw.
Really?
Yeah, I
It
was.
was in, I think it was like in 1951.
Oh no, my father was young.
Yeah.
And what is that? All soap?
There's oils.
Oil?
Oil, so you put your perfume in.
Ah, and what is that?
You could put that as like a decoration in here.
Oh, for decoration. Ah. And this is for sitting, watching, what?
It's for the oils, but I just put it away.
Wow, because closing now.
Yeah.
Yeah.